If you want to see me clear out and reorganize my messy closet shelf, then stick around. Hi there, it's Hélène with another video, and I am so glad you are joining me today. I am doing something that has been on my list for weeks. It's not a huge task, but it's just been a task that I've kind of been going, ugh. And that is cleaning out a shelf in my closet. It's actually a single clothing shelf that I have in the same area where I have all my makeup storage. And every time I go in to get some stuff for getting ready, I see this shelf and it drives me crazy. So I am going to go through everything on that shelf. I'm going to figure out what needs to be fixed or altered or whatever, what needs to be thrown out, what can be donated, and of course, most importantly, what can stay and how I'm going to organize it for future use. You'll see tops, pants, workout gear, that kind of thing. So let's get right into it. Okay, so this is the infamous clothing shelf where I cannot find anything and everything is just a big mess. And I am ready to make some changes here. So I am going to take piece by piece and identify if I'm going to keep, throw away, or donate, and then we will see what the end result is. I have some shirts from conferences and from sporting events that I have had for a long time, and I am pretty sure that it is time for them to go. So I have this one, this one, this one. I have a hair. Let's see, do I have any easy ones? This one. This one, this one. Okay, well that's a good start. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shirts that I really don't care for, and they are going to go. I'm going to grab some shirts that I do know that I want to keep. These I use every year for an event. This one I absolutely love. It says, "If I pass out, note my time." So I love wearing that one in the gym. And I have hair all over the place. Anyway, so these 3 I'm going to keep. This one I love, but I need to find a proper bra for it. And you'd say, well, if you haven't worn it for a while, don't. Well, I actually tried and purchased a bra for it last summer, and the bra just didn't end up working out. So I know I want to wear this top because I want to go back and find another bra. So I will keep it because I want to find the proper garment. So, all right, next up, I can put aside my favorite pants. These are wonderful pants from with dog hair all over. Wonderful pants from Mountain Equipment Co-op. They turn into shorts and they're fantastic for travel. They can be dressed up. They're very long, and yeah, they fit great. And that's why I have 3 pairs, because I love them. And frankly, if I could only have 1 pair in my, or 1 kind of pant in my wardrobe, these would be it. They're fantastic. I guess I could show you why they're fantastic. So this is the top. There's the front. There's a zipper and the drawstring if I want a little bit more. There's a pocket here for my cell phone, and the bottom of the pants. So I wore these and played with my dog, so there's dog hair on here. But the bottom of the pants rolls up and then latches into the mid pants so that they turn into shorts. So those pants are absolutely fantastic. And I love them so much, I have 3 pair. This is a dress that I am not ready to part with because I think it fits better this year. I lost about 20 pounds, and so it was a little tight last time I put it on, which was 15 pounds ago. So I will try it again for the summer because I really like the print. and it has a really nice ruffle detail on the bottom. So I will keep that for the coming summer, and if I don't wear it this summer, then it will be donated. Next up, I have a tank top that is super old, so I am going to actually throw it out. Sorry, the camera moved. I bumped it, so hopefully it looks okay. Let's see here for these pants. Yeah, these pants, they are a little bit big, but they are nice black pants to wear out. I will see if I need to get them altered, and if so, I will do that, but definitely I want to keep them. I just think they may need to be taken in. Next up, I have my favorite, absolute favorite pair of jeans. They are awesome. They are from Curvy Soho, New York company, and they fit me beautifully. I got them last time I was in the States with a girlfriend of mine. Actually, no, that was a while back. I think it's 7 or 8 years ago, actually, that I got these, and they are my best fitting pair of pants ever. So they are not going anywhere. And yes, I wear them regularly, and you would think that by now they would be totally done, but they're such good quality. This is one of my favorite shirts. I got this on my last scuba diving trip, and it's a V-neck. I love V-neck t-shirts, and so I will definitely be keeping that. And the back is so nice. I love the design on the back. I have another workout tank top, definitely keeping that. And I have this that I will put on top of a tank top before and after I work out. And it's a little hoodie, summer hoodie that I got on a trip scuba diving, and I really, really love it. A pair of workout shorts that I always take with me traveling. And the matching top. These are staples in my closet, so I'm going to be keeping those. This shirt you will have seen me wear in videos. Not sure why it's inside out, but here we go. So this is the back, this is the front, and it's just a really neat design. I like it way more than what I did when I saw it on the rack, but it's very flattering to me. Another shirt that I wear very often with a cardigan. Just a nice, easy ribbed tank top. I like this one very much, so I'll be keeping it. Okay, this is a top. I'm so glad I'm doing this because I never know where this is, and now I know where it is. This is a kind of sheer Lululemon top for working out, and I think it is absolutely beautiful. It does a crossover on the back, and you just wear another top underneath, and it looks so good. I'll keep this out so I can actually remember to wear it, because I really like it, but I don't think about it that often. Another pair of workout shorts that fits me quite nicely. This is a shirt that we got done for a gym event that we had, so I'm definitely going to keep that. I really like the logo and all that good stuff. Okay, these two, I'm going to keep this shirt, which is, it's a beautiful saying. It says, soleil, ciel sans nuages, jolie fille, boisson fraîche et sable blanc. What it says really, if you translate it into English, it says sun, cloudless sky, beautiful girls, I guess, refreshing beverage, and white sand. Now, I don't keep it for that because you'll see that it's all messed up here and there. I actually keep this t-shirt and this pair of shorts for deck staining every year. So I'm going to definitely keep those, but I'll put them in the very back of this shelf for the simple reason that I only need to use it 1 week out of the year. I have my weightlifting uni for Olympic lifting competitions, so that will be as well far at the back because I only use it when I need it. Another tank top that is super, super old. It's even, as I can see, discolored, so I'm going to be getting rid of that. I love this guy, but it really should be in my closet. It is a yoga top that I like to layer over tank tops. And it's a brushed cotton, and it's so, so, so comfortable. I'm just trying to get the sleeves right so I can show you. It is the neatest thing. Love it to pieces. But it's really hard to show. It doesn't hang well without being on the body. But this is sort of what it looks like. It does a nice big cowl neck in the front, and it looks so good. So this kind of hangs like this. It's hard to show, but I do wear it sometimes in videos, so you may see it there. So it's going to move to my closet. This is another one of my workout tops that apparently has dog hair on it. My dog hair gets everywhere. And so I've worn this one. I can wear it one more time, but it has to go in the wash. It's a very, very soft fabric, and I love the stitching detail on it. And it's body hugging sports athletic stuff. It's actually from a cycling shop, and I really like the way that it's made. Has pockets in the front, has a pocket for cell phone, so I will definitely be using it very much like it. I bought it from a store that was going out of business, and I did not regret it. Next up, this is a top that I wore during a fitness competition for bodybuilding, and it had red sequins on it, and I took the red sequins off because I really like the top to begin with, and so I am going to keep wearing it in the gym. But again, it was so far in the back, I didn't even see it, so I just forgot all about it. And same for this pair of workout pants. It was all the way at the back and not getting the attention it deserves, which is the whole reason that I'm doing this closet clean out in the first place. So I will make sure that this is properly tended to. Oh, and this pair of pants. Okay, this should be in my closet. This is a pair of white pants. Yeah, I just got rid of the white pants that were in the back there. I'm really disappointed. They're stained, and I don't think they'll survive. And this is a super, super old top that I've also used for deck staining, but I really only need one shirt for that, so I'm going to throw that out. But it was my pride and joy because 2007, I did the Las Vegas Marathon. Few other things. This should not be in here, but it is a scarf that I use. It usually resides in my closet, so that's where it will go. This is one of my favorite summer tops. I have worn it in videos, and it's very pretty, but it belongs in my closet. And I have a pair of pants. I just do a size check on these. Yeah, they definitely will fit, so I'm going to move those. Actually, yeah, I think I'm going to move those to my closet as well. Just a couple more. This is a top that I really do not wear, so I am going to, I don't know why it's so dusty, but anyway, I am going to wash it and donate it. Same with this. This is a top that I have always wanted to wear and enjoy, and I don't, so I'm going to wash it and donate it. And just a couple more things. I've got another pair of workout shorts that obviously I have not used in a while, and another pair of workout pants that I actually really like these. They've got the panels on the side, and again, they were lost in the back of my shelf, so I will give them the proper attention they deserve. So I'm going to fold all my clothes back and arrange them so that I can see everything and then show you the final result. Okay, I feel really, really good about this. I've got 2 pairs of dressier pants, 2 pairs of more casual pants with a third one that I'm wearing. I have this pair of jeans and another, so that will all fit here. I've got my most frequently used tops here. I have the dress that I need to figure out whether I'm going to use or not here, and my least used shirts here. And then on the back, I decided to leave this one on top because I tend to layer this top on so many tank tops. So I want to keep this top close with my tank tops because they just go together. At the back, I have my 2 items that I wear for deck staining. And I have 2 shirts that I very often wear, actually 3 shirts that I very often wear on top of tank tops as well. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 shirts that I wear in the gym, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs of, no, 5, because that's a tank top too, 5 pairs of gym pants and shorts. So I can now see everything at a glance, 1 layer, everything fits. There would technically be room for more, but I feel like I have enough. And of course, this will also fit the extra things that are right now in the laundry for whatever reason. And yeah, I am really, really happy with the change in this space a great deal. And it's that comfortable, you know, 80% full. Like I said, I've got lots of room that makes me really happy, and I can see everything again. So I'm really pleased with what I have done here. It's not folded perfectly. I'm just not that kind of person. As long as it's reasonably neat, I'm okay. For whatever reason, this one has to go upside down because it's just a little too flimsy. I'll do it this way. I can still see what it is, so that's good. Anyway, thank you so much. This is it. Yay! So that's it. I am getting rid of 3, 4, 5 of these shirts from different events that I just never ever wear. That feels great. One of them actually is brand new, so I will find somebody who might enjoy it if I can. And I am donating 2 items. They are tank tops that I just don't wear. And then 4 items have to go either because they're too old or they're stained or something. And they will meet my fireplace sooner than later. It's the middle of winter. It's a perfect thing to burn. So yeah, I am so pleased with what happened. It went faster than I thought. And because there's still a little bit of room, I'm not worried about whatever's in the laundry right now that's going to go back on the shelf. Obviously, it's stuff that I like to wear, so that's great. But yeah, the fact that I just took 1 shelf, tackled it, felt really good. And I also know, just based on what I did today, that I want to tackle a couple of clothing drawers as well, that there's just too much in there, and I know there are things that I don't like to wear. So it'll be a nice chance to do the same thing with that. Thank you for all the new attention that Marie Kondo has been getting, both on YouTube and just all over the media. She was even on Stephen Colbert just this past week. I had read her book, The Magic Art of Tidying Up, I think it's called. I think. It's a great book. I'll put a picture of it here. It's worth a read for sure. Is it a bit extreme? Yes, but there are definite benefits to her process, and we can all be definitely a little or a lot better off by following some of her methods. So thank you for joining me today. I appreciate it very much. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. But for now, take care.